mind-boggling. So I thank you really for inviting us, for being a participant in this overall boardroom mastery session. So it was very nice and very interesting. It has opened us a very great insight.
That if anybody, including me, has really felt that they have learned something, then they should spread the word. Now, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and even other members in MMP, they should realize what they have been missing. That's the least we can do by way of giving back.
This is my first experience and learning from the stalwarts from very closely, and not only the compliance part, but all the aspects which are to be considered, how actually to be in the boardroom and how it has to be. That was the biggest takeaway for me.
There was everything that was important for me, and the takeaway was on the risk side of the presentation. And we don't have that, or we don't work on it so much in our company, and we are now racing towards becoming at least a 3,000 crore company. So this was a very important session for me, and I look forward to interacting more with your team.
Opportunity, and like these 2 days was full of learning, and my learning was importantly on succession planning and the risk management. So like these are the very critical points of this.
There is a thin line of difference between the governance and the compliance, how it can be executed, what are the necessary steps to be taken for ensuring that all the compliances are being carried out. Then integrity of the board should be above par, are my key takeaways. This is what I have learned from the overall 2 days session. Get something, more such similar sessions in future also.
My takeaway was immense. In fact, I was taken away. This webinar. I do not know the B of boardroom. So thank you, Divya ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. And I tell you that it was so very interesting that I did not miss an inch of it. Before entering the boardroom, because we are aspiring. I have never been a board member ever before. So we should definitely go through these teachings, these webinars, so that we are all prepared and we know what is governance.
My takeaways have been immense. Actually the sessions right now which Savitri ma'am took on governance and compliance was very, very important. And even yesterday's sessions were amazing. How the board needs to be behaviorally in sync with each other is very important, is what Mr. Deshmukh's session was all about yesterday. And that made a lot of sense to me. Everybody needs to be in sync with each other, at least, to go in the same direction. Succession planning and its importance. The whole program together has been extremely well curated, and there have been immense takeaways for me. After 8 hours of these sessions, I am much richer in my knowledge, I can say.
Learned from Amisha Vora ma'am's lectures. The VUCA was a new term for me. It was really, what I could say is like, is a key word, how you go ahead with your business and all.
Neha and the complete Mentor My Board team for arranging this very, very informative and awesome session. The 2 days were like, bombarding with information and knowledge and case studies and, experiences shared all through. So for me, as I am an aspiring, board ready, it was really new to me. Many of the aspects were really new to me, but it was made so simple to understand and so simple to now to implement henceforth that I was really blown away. All the speakers were so full of experience, and they were all eminent and distinguished people in their own field of work.
When I kind of entered this program, it was more out of a need to know. In the end, I would say it's all great to know. So it's moved from need to know to great to know. And the way you've kind of constructed this entire program in terms of the topics and the quality of the mentors is absolutely brilliant. The practical examples that they brought to the, I think all the sessions were very, very good. And the sum total is, I think, when you finish a program and you say that it's a time well spent, especially at our level, I think it's very useful. Thank you.
So a lot of takeaways, and in spite of knowing many of the things in the Companies Act and other things, but still I learned that okay, there are a few more things that I know definitely I need to focus upon in the days to come. And every session was so interesting and so engaging. I loved and liked all the sessions.
Sessions were wonderful. A lot of insights we could get from Rajnikant ji sir, and then Deshmukh sir, and today's ma'ams. Yeah, it's a lot of value additions, especially the way whole Rajnikant sir was saying that the information flows, how the information is coming to the board is very much important to validate. Because nowadays it's a whole plethora of data and a lot of things. So what need to be filtered out and looked at is very critical overall. And here in all these sessions, nothing is, you can't discount any of the subjects. All are, since when we are at the management or at the board, everything is critical, and all the aspects to be considered from structure, risk and management, your compliances, governance, all factors are very important and a lot of insights. So
when I have the takeouts, definitely all the session, it was very good and it was very helpful for the knowledge building and that. But when it comes for the implementation, definitely I think this is the start away for us. Taking them, and day by day, the behavioral aspect part will get changed, and definitely day by day we'll have the challenge regarding the things. I take away the behavioral part challenge and also the governance and the compliances, which is the thin line. And definitely it will be more helpful when we'll be there in the board. And I would like that is not the end part of the session, but this is the beginning part, which we will carry forward and implement the things in our board.
Hello directors, aspiring directors and mentors. Thank you for registering and welcome to the Elite Circle of Directors. You are now part of an exclusive and one-of-a-kind platform for directors, mentors and corporates. Now the first thing that will increase your visibility and showcase your profile to a maximum number of directors and corporates is by completing as many details as possible. It will hardly take a few minutes, but it will increase your profile reach by a lot. And we would love to see a beautiful professional picture of you as your profile picture. Now, once your profile is complete, and if you would like to register as a mentor, then click on the left of your profile pic and apply here. As to only get the best quality mentors on board, we manually review each and every profile. So if you are a mentor, please make sure your profile is completely filled and then apply. We will review it within the next 48 hours of application. Once this is done, come to your home page and you can see all the activities that are happening in the Circle of Directors. To make sure a lot of people know you, it is important for you to get engaged in their posts and not just like them. Also, at the same time, start participating, sharing your knowledge and experiences with other fellow directors, business leaders and professionals. As I initially said, this community is only for elite professionals like you. I encourage you to connect with relevant people by clicking on the recommended director based on mutual connections. You can also manually search people and grow your network here. Just go to their profile, connect with them. If that person is a mentor, you will see an M beside their profile. In the case of a mentor, you can book a call with them and also see what trainings, courses and events they have planned for you. Whatever training or events you have registered for, you can get to know about it by clicking on the Assistance tab. As a director, you need some wonderful tools to be effective. So keep a track of those tools in the tools section. At the same time, this platform gives you a lot of recommendations for great leadership books as well. Virtual Secretariat assistants on the platform will help you keep all your compliances as director or a business leader in order. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you get stuck on any matter. Being more visible, getting recommended by other board leaders on the platform will surely help you get selected for board positions as well. We request you to engage more with the community and attend as many pieces of training, mentoring as a call to upskill yourself. Exclusive one-to-one mentorings with elite mentors will help you grow in your career and business, resulting in overall growth for you as a board leader. In case you have any questions, please mail us at info@mentormyboard.com.